Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another video tutorial. This week I was featuring the Peaceful Place Designer Series paper. This is my favorite paper in the holiday catalog. I am in love with it. So I was showing very simple cards we can do with just sentiment sets that go with, would go with any paper, but I wanted to show it with my favorite paper. So today I'm going to use the Well-Defined set. It's got Christmas, Thanksgiving, winter, Halloween, and it's great for tags as well. So I'm going to use this Christmas stamp that I love. It says, the time of year where the presence of family is better than the presence from family. Isn't that sweet? Okay, this card is so simple. You can make a ton of these really quickly. Just taking a half sheet of the thick basic white cardstock. I have a piece of basic black and then a little sliver of, well, it's not a sliver, but a piece of the designer paper. This one is the black and white trees, and then it has some silver accents. Can you see that? The shiny parts? Can't tell. Can't tell if you can see that. This piece is actually 5.5 by 3, so you can get 8 cards out of one sheet of designer paper using these measurements. All right. And then it has these fun little gray and gray background with the white trees on the back of it. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of glue going here. And the black is 5.5 by 3.5, so it gives a nice kind of thick border since it's so light. And then we're gonna take, of course, my favorite ribbon, which is the glittered black ribbon, the organdy ribbon, but you could use the glittered white ribbon as well. I just like the drama of the black ribbon. And I am going to just do a pretty bow right in this blank spot. So we're not really going to interfere with the trees. Okay. I like to get it tied and then I kind of pull it to get the loops the size that I want. And let's cut that in an angle, cut this one at an angle. All right, now here's a trick. If your ribbon is loose, you can flip it over and just use a little bit of tape to kind of tighten it up in the back. I know, sometimes we struggle with loose ribbon. Life is hard, I'm telling you. All right, next we're going to just, glue this on. If I can keep my glue on the card. I can't seem to keep it on the card. Make sure it's not sticking over the side. All right, let's turn our card right side up. You know what, before we glue, we're gonna stamp because, accidents happen. I'm gonna stamp. I'm going to just stamp Christmas this on the inside. I'm not even stamping on the outside. I don't have to. Okay. That turned out straight enough. Okay, now we're going to glue this down. I'm going to glue it just to the center of the card, front. All right. And then we're going to add a couple of rhinestones and we are done. I might trim these a little bit more. And I'm just going to do, I think I'm going to do a medium and a small and maybe another small. Whoops, get on there. Maybe a small right there. Since my bow's kind of at an angle, I'm going to trim this because I don't really like my bows sticking past my card because then they'll get all wonky in the envelope. And that's all I'm going to do. Isn't that pretty though? Super simple, elegant, black and white. And you don't even have to stamp the front. You can just stamp the inside. I mean, the front kind of says it all. It's winter, it's Christmas, it's sparkly, elegant. That's it. I mean, how quick and easy is that? I would love to get this card in the mail. So you don't have to go crazy. You can do nice and simple Christmas cards. to send out to family and friends. They'll be thankful that it's just handmade. All right, now the link to my blog is posted in the description. I have measurements, supplies. There's not a whole lot that you have to know. There's also a link to shop online. And if you place an order this month during November online, I'm going to send you the supplies to make these 3 cards. Isn't that pretty? You can make these 3 cards. All you have to do is place an online order of merchandise before tax and shipping of $30, and I will send you the supplies to make these. I'm not going to stamp them. You're going to get the paper and the snowflake, the ribbon, and the rhinestones to make. Whoops, that's not the card. Where is it? This is this one, that one, and this one. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, these 3 cards that we made this week. But make sure you use the host code. You have to use the host code to get your free cards. And that is posted in the link below as well. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by, and I will see you again Thursday. All right. Bye-bye.